folks, and welcome to Black Bear Outdoors with me, Delta Sierra, and the Rural Deputy. So this is our very first episode of the FBI qualification videos, which we're going to be shooting with multiple different guns. The whole idea is for us to shoot them with these guns, get a kind of qualifying time, if you will, and then compare them at the end of the series and take the two best performing guns into a head-to-head and see who we crown the king of the FBI Quals. So am I right in saying what we're going to do is if we have a miss, we'll give a 2-second penalty or something, just to keep it fair?
Yeah, we're keeping hit score, time score, and then like you said, we're going to run it with everything from the $300 Beretta to the $2,500 Staccato P, and kind of a one, see who does better with what, just out of our own curiosity, but two, also to demonstrate that cost doesn't equal function necessarily.
That's very, very true. More equals experience in my end. But yeah, you're absolutely right. And in the end of the day, you know, it's good to have two shooters doing it because, you know, the gun has to perform for everybody, right? All right, so without further ado, guys, our first gun is the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 that belongs to the Deputy. Join us on the range when we start the qualification. Stay tuned. Strong hand, 3 rounds. Switch hands, support hand, 3 rounds, and all in 6 seconds. All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, shooter ready. Stand by. .83.
Forgot the safety again. 3 shots strong hand, switch. 3 shots weak hand, 6 seconds. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .89.
So draw 3 rounds, 3 seconds. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .19.
3 rounds, 3 seconds, 2 hand. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .69.
Low ready, 3 rounds, 2 seconds. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. 1.02.
2 hand shooting, low ready, 3 rounds, 2 seconds. 3 rounds, 2 seconds. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 1.26.
Low ready, 6 rounds, 4 seconds. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. .07.
All right, 6 rounds, 4 seconds. 6 rounds, 4 seconds. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .52.
All right, so at 7 yards, draw and fire 5 rounds in 5 seconds. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. .23.
Okay, 5 rounds, 5 seconds. 5 rounds, 5 seconds. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .67.
Is at 7 yards. Fire 4 rounds till slide lock. Do an empty pistol magazine change, and then 4 more, all in 8 seconds. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. 6.12.
From low ready, fire 4. Empty pistol reload, fire 4. In 8 seconds. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. $7.11.
So from low ready, 5 rounds, 4 seconds. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Three seconds flat.
From low ready, 5 rounds, 4 seconds. 5 rounds, 4 seconds. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .42.
At 15 yards, draw and fire 3 rounds in 6 seconds. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. .06.
All right. 3 rounds, 6 seconds. 3 rounds, 6 seconds from 15. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .26.
At 15 yards, from the low ready, fire 3 rounds in 5 seconds. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. .01.
3 rounds, 5 seconds. 3 rounds, 5 seconds from 15. Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. .16.
At 25 yards, draw, fire 4 rounds, standing, drop to the knee, fire 4 more in 20 seconds. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. .61.
25 yards. 4 rounds standing. Drop to a kneel. Fire 4. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. $11.19.
That was the FBI qualification with the Smith & Wesson M&P. Yeah, I think it did really well. We'll post its main time up on the screen here. And that will be our first bar set. And yeah, so what do you think we'll run it with next?
I don't know, that might be a surprise. We might have to run a PDP through it, kind of lower, higher, just kind of stagger them. You know, I enjoy doing stuff with the drills that we do, like with our state qual, this FBI qual that we kind of picked at random. It gives you a little bit of purpose to your range day, you know, and that's why we do them. You know, one is proficiency, but also purpose. Otherwise, you just stand there, you lob lead at a target, and this gives you a little more challenge. And when you realize your time, it's kind of like doing a plank, right? You realize how long 6 seconds really is.
That's true. So yeah, guys, just to bring you up to speed here, you'll notice that we're kind of trying to shoot the qualification really faster than the time allows. And that's because of it being a competitive thing between a bunch of different guns. We're not actually utilizing all the time, even though you could, just for that.
Right, we're not going just simply for the qual on hits, but we also we kind of want to run time and accuracy into the performance, both for our own status and the pistols that we run.
100%, and right and left hand, right? Shooters. Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed this qualification, had some fun with us today, or learned something new, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and tell us what your experience is with the M&Ps, and let us know what you think, if you've seen some of our back catalog guns, who you think is going to be the winner of this whole series. And as always, from the both of us, y'all stay safe, and we'll see you next time.